Anyway, welcome back to the channel. We piss people off every day. Pull up and yank them. Anyway, this car here has got no tag, flat tires. It was leaking oil all over the property it was at. Anyway, I want to tell all my subs, all my viewers, thanks for watching. Channel's doing great. Cars are coming in every day. Business is booming in Atlanta. But I want to give a shout out to all the people out there in the comments, man. I know I hadn't been able to comment lately. I've been extremely busy. But I want to thank everybody for making the channel what it is. Anyway, let's get back to the towing. Yes, ma'am.
Hey, how are you?
Hey, how you doing?
Hey, good. The sticker said I had until the 16th to fix it.
Tenemos hasta el 16.
The 16th.
Sí.
Yeah, of this month. Today's the 7th.
No, it's
That's why I took off the sticker.
No,
I got more than the second expired.
The
But
sticker,
they
Yeah,
said it was the 16th.
It said the 6th, man.
It said the 16th, man. And today's the 7th, so...
Okay. That's fine, man. That's fine. Hey, they got a picture of the sticker on the car. They got a picture of that in all the office. Let me tell you what's going on. I reckon that somebody bought the property. They're going to buy the property. There's a whole bunch of people up in the office right now. There's a whole bunch of cars on the property that are not valid. The best thing I can tell you, man, you need to call the office right now and talk to them, explain to them why, what the sticker said. But talk to them.
Yeah, because, well, yeah, I haven't been able to talk to them today. Honestly, I've been working late. But
Enrique,
And
dile que voy a hablar a la
right
oficina.
now, I mean, I'm not hooked to it, so I don't have to tow it. But it's up to you to talk to them.
yeah, I'll talk to them right now. I'll call in right now.
Okay. Thank you.
And thank you very much.
Yep. So we got a trailer parked right by the front. Somebody's hogging. This same guy's got 2 trailers, and he's got a junky truck. He's got 2 trailers taking up a bunch of parking. So we're gonna have to load this thing up and get it off the property, man. This guy's a bow hog, man. You should have told me that. Hey, this hook, you just told me that. I backed up to the BMW a minute ago. You know who the guy who owns the BMW?
Yeah, that's under my name.
Okay, well, I just talked to him. I passed up the BMW because I told him to call the office. He didn't mention anything about the other truck and the other 2 trailers. He didn't mention it. He didn't mention anything about it to me. And this is hooked.
Well, they have to give the residents notice that, it's not because of the new management. Write it down. Pay good more time.
Yeah, I understand. I understand. That's the thing. I don't think they're giving me more time. I think they got. Hey, there was at least 8 people, all dressed up, suits, whatever. They come in there and put out some blueprint. I don't know what they're doing. They're doing something to do with this property.
I mean, I
Whether they
understand
bought
that.
it, and I mean, look. Hey, you work in property.
Yeah.
That right there.
I mean, the thing is that
Hey,
that's where
rough.
the kids put.
Dress. Do you want to pay the drop fee? It's $100 to pay the drop fee.
Okay.
You can pay the drop fee, and I'll put it right back in the same space, and I'll let you're gonna have a receipt. It's not my money. It's the company.
Yeah, it's fine. It's fine.
We sticker before we have pictures of every single thing. There's pictures of this one, pictures of every single thing before we tow. It's all done by the book, strictly by the book. But yeah, let me. Jacked up with some blocks, man. Oh, terrible. terrible, man. Anyway, this right here is a prime example of why these properties don't like people working on their cars, because people can't fix their cars. They leave them sitting here for months on blocks. That's just what happens. People get yanked, leave their car sitting there till forever. Thing is, that thing's getting hot. These guys doing this kind of work right here, man, this putting out fires, man, that's a tough job. Shout out to the firefighters, man. Police department too. They're out here trying to keep everything straight, keep everybody safe. Anyway, hey, we're back on another property. Here we go again. This property here has been it's been problematic in the past. There's no question about that. There's a little criminal activity in here every now and again, which is pretty common for most of the properties we tow for. Some of them are worse, some of them are better. Anyway, I got a wrecked Harley Davidson that's been sitting here. It was stickered 12 days ago. Put boards under to keep from dragging the motor. The motor looks like it might still be intact. The engine. I know a lot of people don't like to see me drag motorcycles up, and I don't drag motorcycles up like that unless they're wrecked. It won't sit upright anyway. There's one on jacks right there. Nice Lincoln sitting on jacks, man. They better get that thing back on the ground, or this property manager will tow it. That's one way to get towed, have a car on blocks. They will tow them for that. Well, I got this bike back to the yard. Got it set up where you can look at how much damage it's got on it. Looks like they skidded on this side. They hit hard. The motor, it does look intact, but whoever was driving this motorcycle, I don't think they were intact when it was over with. I'm pretty sure whoever was driving this motorcycle, I'm pretty sure they got hurt. It's kind of hard. It's kind of hard to wreck a motorcycle and not get hurt. It's just one of those things you can't. It don't happen very often. Anyway. Roll to my next. Anyway, thanks for watching. All the likes, the comments, the shares, all that stuff makes my channel what it is. Thank you. Peace.